Oga Rocha refused. But now I know why Oga Rocha refused to bug me. Now I know, my Ketibia. I didn't even know that it's only people that don't know how to speak English that Oga Rocha has been molding. And I've been there blowing all the blowings. Now let me speak on my spokes. Let me speak on my spokes. Tell Oga Rocha mold me now. Let me speak on my spokes. Oga Rocha people. Indi biningin. Indi biningin. Onye makwa Rocha. Onye makwa Oga Rocha ya gwakwa ya ga ọkpọ m na asụgbo m ya. Ọ wụzọ sụma ma asụ Igbo. Indi biningin.